In Google Forms, you're able to add a section. And once you have sections added, you can do some pretty neat things. So let's try it out. Right now, I see the blue bar next to the title and description, so I know that's what I'm editing. Let's say after the image, I would like to add a section. I go to the right-hand menu, I click Add Section. There's no longer a blue bar next to the image, so I scroll down and I see I have a new section. So this will be my video section. You'll also notice after section 1, I can choose to go to section 1 again. I can go to section 2 or submit the form. So the more sections you add, the more options you'll have. So let's say after the video, we're going to go into that quiz. So let's click add a section. Oh no, look, its video has nothing under it, and we have our untitled section, which is going to be our quiz. So what can I do? Well, there's a couple of options. Since it's just one question, I can move the question into the video section, and my problem is solved because really all I wanted there was the video. But remember that kebabs are magical. So when you click that, you'll see that you have the ability to duplicate the section, move the section, delete the section, or merge with above. Now, duplicate is exactly what it sounds like. It just duplicates all of the questions in that section. So if I duplicate this section, we're actually going to have 2 quiz sections. So let's scroll down to section 404, quiz, and it has the exact same questions we've been using. If I choose to move the section, this allows me to either use the dots to move things around or use the triangles, however you want to move those entire sections, and then you click save and it will remember the order in which you have your quiz. Now the next option is delete. When you click delete section, it's telling you it's going to delete the questions and section. So the title of the section is not its own separate thing. Once you add a section, all of the questions become part of that section. So if you want to preserve the questions, you have to choose merge section up. Deleting it deletes everything. So let's cancel that and merge the section with above. So now our quiz is just one long quiz. If I undo that and say delete section, okay, we only have 3 sections, but I only have 1 quiz section. Now you'll also see these little arrows that just expands whether you have that description or not. So those are the sections. And again, you can choose what to do at the end of each section. So let's take a look at our quiz now. So once you have these sections, this is what it would look like to the people who are doing your Google form. Now we just had the title and the image. It's like a new page. So I click next and I'm taken to the video section. I would watch the video, click next, and now I'm taken to the quiz. And once I've done all of that, I can submit the form. So in this case, all of our sections are kind of like just adding pages. So if you wanted to further organize your material or make sure that students watched the video and then answered questions on the next page or in the next section, this is a great feature for you. So make sure to check out sections and make sure to watch the next video to see how you can go to a section based on a question answer.